Here, put your head back to me.
April 28th.
Mmm. Yummy. What do you think?
It's getting the texture in my mouth.
What do you think?
Gee, that's funny, huh?
What do you think, Zoe? What do you think?
Your little brother's eating, Zoe. Pretty soon you guys are going to be taking a bath together, eating together.
Mmm.
Yeah. You'd be little buddies.
Mmm.
Okay. Are you all done? You all done?
What do you think, baby G?
Start, G? I think I should make it scoopier next time.
What do you think, baby G?
Did Mommy make it too lumpy?
I think he did great.
You did awesome, but I think you deserved it. It's a little more liquidy. Want any more or no? I think you're done. You all done? That's a good start, bud.
Good job, G. Yummy. And Enzo, you did good too. Mmm. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.